Hello and welcome to Creating with Ms. Kaye. I have missed everyone so much. I have been extremely busy. I started a new job and I am working a part-time job from my previous job at the law firm. So I went from working 8:30 to 4:30 to working 8 to 5. My ride is a lot longer, so I haven't had any time to do any YouTube videos. I try to watch, just starting a new job, you don't want to start, playing hooky or just doing things you're not supposed to do on company time. So, but we will say this, once I get used to everything, I can go back and start watching videos like I used to when I was at work. So far, I love my new job. It has helped me even with my decorating skills because the word got out that I enjoy decorating. So I have been able to decorate on a different level, more of an industrial level. Offices, student lounges, student government offices. So this has really helped me, besides just decorating homes, it has helped me to decorate outside. And then I do have a home that I've been decorating, and so I'm excited about that. This is definitely a new venture with looking into fabrics for getting things upholstered, and just changing some things around. I don't know when I can do a video on any of that because I don't know if it's allowed. But this video today has nothing even to do with me decorating. I have been planning to go on a trip with one of my best friends and some of my other girlfriends. She turned 50 in February, but the numbers went up, so we canceled the trip. Well, we postponed it until June. So I have a couple more weeks. So this video is about the essentials of traveling. These are certain things that I like to travel with, some new items that I bought. When you go out of state, you definitely want to, let's just say, bring your best game with you. So I'll be showing you some of my outfits. I bought a duffel bag from Gucci, and this is what this video is going to show you. It's an unboxing, so I'm extremely excited about it. What else is going on? Same old hair, same old clothes, dressed from shein.com. I love them, so y'all need to check them out and just kind of see what they have. I have missed you all so much. Thanks to everybody who has been keeping up with me. I get phone calls, texts, and just being patient with me. I think I am at 700 subscribers, so I'm excited about that. It's a long journey, but you know what? I don't get discouraged at all. God has been good to me. We can move nice and slow. When he gets ready to put me to where he wants me to be, that's when I get there. So glory be to God. And let's get on with the video. Good to see everyone. Here is a dress from shein.com. This black and gold jersey knit. It sort of has some gold chains on it, and what else is this got going on? Maybe a little bit of animal print, but I love it. I love the fit. Today is actually my first day wearing it. It's kind of warm here, but I wanted to just put it on for the video. Haven't even worn it to work yet. Let's get to this unboxing. I must love you guys so much because I ordered this on April 24th and I refused to open it until I did an unboxing video. One of my friends said, why don't you do the essentials of traveling? You like to go places, and I will just buy a whole new wardrobe when I'm going to a new place. And in my intro, I didn't even tell y'all where I'm going. I am going to Los Angeles, California. I'm so excited. I live here in Georgia. I have been to Las Vegas, but never California. And I mean, oh my God, it's just a dream come true. So when my girlfriend said she wanted to celebrate her 50th in Cali, I'm on it. I'm ready. I just hate that we postponed, but you know what? If now is the time, this is when we go. So this just gave me time to buy more stuff. And Gucci is one of my favorite designers. I like Gucci. I like Louis Vuitton, YSL. I like Fendi. But Gucci is just one of my favorites because when I turned 45, I decided that I wanted to gift me. So if I didn't get exactly what I wanted for Christmas or Mother's Day or my birthday, I treat myself with 2 luxury items a year. Sometimes it's more, but it's normally 2 luxury items a year. So if it's something that I just like and I want it, I get it. So this bag, it'll be my carry-on. But Gucci, they definitely, they do you right. You can get your item normally within 2 days. So let's see what all we have. The paper, the packing paper that I showed you earlier is exclusive as well. This box, you see the bag that was over this box. It's just gorgeous. The green with the burgundy. I love it. I will keep this bag stored in this box. Okay, so let's see what we have. We've taken the ribbon off. The box is open. Okay. Are you as excited as I am? Okay, here. See, this is what I mean. Here is another cover bag to protect your merchandise. This is what I like so much about them. This is just perfect. I know this will probably be like my shoe bag. So it's good. Look at it. I love it. It is their signature pattern that is on this bag, and with the red and the green, I just love it. I can see myself at the airport with it. And if you see me looking through, I'm trying to find my slips, my authentic slips that they normally put in. Now this packing that's coming out of the bag, I try to hold on to it, even though I'm throwing it over to the side. Once I'm finished with this bag, I will put it back on the inside to prevent any creasings or anything. Okay, this adjustable strap that came with this bag, I hate to say that they're overpriced, overrated, but they are a tad bit expensive. They can run anywhere from $300 to $500 for the strap. You know, you do have the option of just holding the handle, but you know, when you're traveling, depending on what you have in there, you know, you kind of want to put it across your body. So I guess it's worth it. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. Okay, here are their iconic luggage tags, as well as your lock and your key. I love it. Yes. Because this is my first luxury item for the year, and it's only, okay, so I got it in April. But there's a pair of slides that I want, and I really want it for this trip, but that means I'm getting to the end. And so I'm only supposed to get 2 items, but you know, we never know what may happen, because come November, I know I'm going to want something. Yeah, this is the gift card. They always send you, not a gift card, excuse me. They always send you the nicest thank you card from Gucci, as well as the other designers as well. They're very accommodating. If I was to see that there was any problem with this bag, all I would have to do is just send it back, and they would send me something, send me a replacement right back. They're definitely worth it. The customer service is bar none. I've never had any trouble with them. So, okay, let's get this strap on and let's see what it looks like when I put it on. As you see, I'm checking out every aspect of this bag, all of the accessories that come with it. I do the purses the same way. I just want to make sure I have everything that I am supposed to have. Okay, let's see. I'm going to zip this up, and I'm having just a little bit of trouble with the zipper, but I think it was kind of the way the bag, maybe it had folded over just a little bit, but otherwise it's good. Let's see what it looks like on me. I like it. I don't know why I'm not smiling, because I've been looking at this bag for a little while, but I kept putting some other things before. So thank goodness that I had a new trip to go on, and that way it gave me an excuse to, let's just say, upgrade myself. Sometimes we have to just do that, little grown woman style, grown and sexy. That's the key and all that comes with it. Let's adjust these straps because I'm a little short. So once we get these adjusted, we're gonna see how it looks on me again. Now in my next video, it will be the unboxing and a try on of, oh, look at this. I like it. I love it. What about y'all? You like it? I do. But what I was saying, in my next video, it will be the unboxing of the clothes that I ordered for my trip. And we'll just talk about how many fluid ounces and all that you can take on a plane, and making sure you have everything you need for travel, ID cards, extra cash, make sure your credit cards, all of that, bathing suits, everything. So you guys, I will see you in the next video. I have missed you so much. Love you and see you soon. Mwah.